Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. It is my favorite time of the season. It's FabFitFun time, guys. Spring 2021, we are kicking it off right with our FabFitFun box. Oh my god, I feel so floral. I feel so springy. I feel like we're about to dive into some beautiful sunny weather. And some just cool temperatures, very nice. But I'm very excited to open this box with y'all and really dig into it. So let's hop on in, shall we? The first two things that I want to show you guys are the add-ons that I did for this season's box. So the first one is these Maggie Sports Set 3 of booty bands. So they're blue, favorite color, different colors. And these are great because I can travel with these. These are really nice to just put in my suitcase. But I love these. I've been wanting to get this kind of material of booty bands because they're a little tougher. They don't fall down. They don't like roll up. So these are really cool. And so I got these. These were $19 as my add-on. And then the second thing I got, you guys, we're living in a time where these are essential right now. This is a 3 set of masks. This is cream, tan, and green, and it's just a face mask trio. And so I'm really stocking up, guys. I didn't want to be, but I am. So we have face masks. The other part of my add-ons that I did is that I donated $10 to One Tree Planted to get some trees planted. And if you guys don't know, One Tree Planted is dedicated to global restoration, meaning they plant trees to restore nature and biodiversity. So for every $1 donated, one tree will be planted, and they have 3 different projects. There's one project in California, one in the Pacific Northwest, and another in the National Forest in the United States. So they will be linked down below. So if you guys want to go donate some money so some trees, some beautiful trees can be planted so we can have this beautiful oxygen that we need to breathe, I will have that link down below so you guys can go donate to them. Let's hop into the box. The goodness of this box, you guys. Oh my gosh. All right, we're opening this up. And, oh, holy beautiful. Look at just the flowers. I love it. It's beautiful. So right up at the top, like we always do, and like, we're in a full floral mood, and I love this. Grow forth. I love that. Let's make that our spring 2021 phrase we live by. Grow forth. I think that is so important and such a great phrase. I'm going to like put this up everywhere. But this is our FabFitFun code that they give us to share out. We got a HelloFresh code as always. We got a Nourish code as always. We got some stickers, guys. I got so excited over stickers. And then of course we have our magazine, which is also very festive, but this also has everything that is included in the box, along with some just different recipes. Apply a lipstick like a pro, different makeup tips, different brushes, all kinds of different things to get you ready for spring and to use all of these goodness in here. So I'm going to run through all the products, and I'm going to make sure to tell you guys the price of everything, and then I'll tell you the total value at the end. So the first thing we are hopping into is this amazing thing. This was not one of my customized items, but this is a pink sky. It's a purple cactus drink cup. So I'm so excited about this. You know, no festivals, no music festivals are really going on right now, but like this feels very Coachella to me. This feels very fun and festive, and it feels like I need to be at a party. So this is the Pink Sky Cactus Sipper Cup, and this is $20, and I am so excited about this. I feel like a kid at a birthday party right now, but I love this. I love this lavender color. It's perfect. So Pink Sky. I gotta go get more cups if there's more like this. Second item in here are these Say reusable beauty rounds. These are $15 for a set of 3, and they're so soft. They're so soft, and just to be able to, you know, take things off of your face, put things on if you want them. But I love just how, like, these are really super nice. And I love the reusable part of this, just helping the environment a little bit more so we're not throwing so much garbage away. But these are really nice and really easy to get washed and cleaned so we can reuse them again and again. The other thing in here, this Earth Harbor, this is the Marina Byron Brightening Ampoule. So this is that last part. I did not know, but look at this. Oh my God. I feel like I'm in Hawaii. I do. I really, really do. purely natural, ethical, C active. So it's plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten added, no soy added, woman-owned, yes, small batch made. I love it. It is named for the treasured ocean blue botanicals she possesses. She harbors concentrated apoptogenic oils that vigorously brighten and balance for an even, radiant complexion. I'm here for it. Apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning. Guys, like, can we just take a second? I'm here for this. I love this. And this is such a nice packaged product. But I'm really excited to use this, and it truly is getting me ready for like summer vibes. I'm getting the warm vibes here, guys. We're gonna hop into customization real quick. Customization is one of my favorite parts of FabFitFun because you truly get these really cool options that you get to just pick stuff and pick what you want from these things. So I'm gonna dive into this and kind of show you guys what I customized my box with this season. So the first customization I'm gonna show you are these Bloomingville woven sea grain coasters, which I'm so excited about. And I really, really love the woven aspect to it. I'm gonna let you guys know, these are very beachy to me. I don't know if you've been able to tell, I love the beach. But like, that's kind of my vibe, and I love having that in the house and where I live. So it's really, really cool. And so these are what they look like. And they're different patterns on each, but they're just like tied up right here. It's just so nice. But different patterns, and really, really cute. And they're screaming, take me to the beach. So I love these coasters, and these coasters are $35. Okay. But so cute, and I love these. The next thing in here is this Camp Collective dip dye market tote, and this is $25. I love this because I can go to the grocery store and just get a few things, go to the farmer's market and just fill my bag up. I can do a lot with this and just not have to carry so many ugly big bags around. So this is really exciting to me, and this bag is $25, and I am super excited to just have this and carry it around. Like, I can go shopping at some of my favorite little boutiques and stuff like that and just put stuff in here. And I love that it's pink. Scream spring, guys, scream it. One of the other customizations I have is this Lark Eyes hair scarf bundle, and this is $30. And so it comes in this little tote bag, and so I'm gonna pull these out real quick. And I do believe there are 2 in here. Yep, and they even give you directions for how you can do it, which is really cool. But they have 2 different ones. You have this beautiful pink one with different flowers all over it. And then you have this beautiful just cream colored, which is so very, very nice. So 2 different hair scarf bundles. And I'm very excited because I'm trying to get my hair longer now. And so these will be really, really cute just to tie my hair back when I'm going out or getting dressed up just a little bit for a spring outing. But these will be really cool, and I can't wait. The last and biggest item in this box at the bottom is this beautiful Alice and Olivia daisy print duffel bag. And this is $150, but this thing is gorgeous. I'm gonna take it out of this container and show you guys. Like, it is such a cute little bag. It's a perfect little size. It's got daisies all over it. You've got the 2 straps right here, but then you've also got the bigger that you can attach to the other side. Let's crack it open real quick. It's very, very big on the inside. It's spacious. We got a zipper right here on this pocket. And just super, super nice. Ton of space, you guys. Ton of space, which is awesome to see. So this is my last customization item. You guys, I got pretty lucky with my customizations. These were, I went in a different direction this time. I didn't get heavy makeup stuff or products. The total value of my box was $313. Very excited about that, because you know why? Because you can pay $50 for this one box. $50 per season. If you want to be a seasonal, if you want to be annual, you can pay the outright and pay for the whole year, which I bumped mine up to a couple boxes ago, and I am now an annual member. So I'm very excited about all the benefits and all the things that I get to be as an annual member, but I just love being a part of FabFitFun because of the, I mean, you guys, we got so many amazing products in this one box. I mean, just how fun all of this is. So this is one of the subscription boxes that I tell everybody they have to get, because it is so many great and amazing companies that you may not have heard of, that you have heard of, that you just haven't tried. So I always suggest this box, and I think it's a great box to go check out. I will have everything linked down below so you can go check out all of these products and FabFitFun as well, along with One Tree Planted. But if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, join this awesome family, and I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.